Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, teacher. Hello. 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 Teacher.
Oh, hello. Can you hear me?
Oh, yeah.
Just a minute. I have to open my camera. Okay, good. This is good now. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
All right. So, Harry, how are you, Harry?
I'm hungry.
Hungry? Why are you hungry? Why did you not eat lunch before class? Did you eat lunch? Did you eat your lunch? Not yet?
No.
Oh, I see. Actually, we're going to have tests now. Okay?
This?
Yes. The last test that we have is just a review exercise. Okay, so this one is the real test. Okay.
Why? Okay.
Right, so we will start now. And that's what I said. There will be 4 parts, Harry. Listening, reading, and writing and speaking. So you still have a chance to score high. All right,
Okay.
let's start.
Yes. Stop.
See my screen? Can you
Yeah.
see my screen? Good job. Okay, let's start.
One
So
sec. Then I hold.
grade 6 test 4. Listening.
Listening.
Okay, listen to my talking about her summer holiday. Decide if the statements are true or false. Circle T or F, or you just tell me T or F after you listen everything. I will ask you. Okay, Harry? You understand?
Okay.
Okay, good.
Yes.
So let's start now.
Hello. This is Jiangan 6. Unit 9. Listening test. Task 1. Listen to my talking about her summer holiday. Decide if the statements are true or false. Circle T or F. You will listen twice. Now, you have 15 seconds to look through the questions.
Bra, 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 bra. I can hear.
It's really like that. 30 seconds.
This summer, I went to visit my uncle in Australia and stayed there for a month. It was the first time I traveled alone, so it was scary. Luckily, nothing went wrong. A very kind woman sat next to me on the plane, and she helped me a lot. My uncle's family lives in Sydney, so I got to see the cool opera house. We even went to a concert there. It was so good. It was so hot in Sydney, so I loved going to the beaches. One weekend, my uncle took my cousins and me to Melbourne. Melbourne also has beautiful beaches, but I still like Sydney better. I think Sydney is greener, and there are more activities.
Now listen again.
This summer, I went to visit my uncle in Australia and stayed there for a month. It was the first time I traveled alone, so it was scary. Luckily, nothing went wrong. A very kind woman sat next to me on the plane, and she helped me a lot. My uncle's family lives in Sydney, so I got to see the cool opera house. We even went to a concert there. It was so good. It was so hot in Sydney, so I loved going to the beaches. One weekend, my uncle took my cousins and me to Melbourne. Melbourne also has beautiful beaches. But I still like Sydney better. I think Sydney is greener, and there are more activities.
Okay. Harry, do you have answers already for your test?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me your answers? Number 1.
Number 1 is true.
Okay. Number 2.
Number 2 is false.
Okay.
Number 3 is 2.
4.
4 is false.
Number 5.
Number 5 is false.
Okay, can you read number 1 for the meantime? My
went to Australia with her uncle.
Okay, with her uncle. Can you say it again? With her uncle.
With her uncle.
Good. Number 2, kindly read it.
My sadness man on a plane.
Okay.
My want
Sad.
to sad. My want to correct when she was in Sydney.
Okay. Number 4.
The weather was cold in
Okay.
Sydney.
Okay. And lastly,
My like Sydney better than Melbourne.
okay, good. Next, go.
Hello.
Okay, we're going to listen one more time. No 2 words. No more than 2 words or a number. You will listen twice, okay? Let's start. Ready, Harry?
Task 2. Listen to the conversation between a customer and a receptionist at the gym. Answer the questions with no more than 2 words or a number. You will listen twice. Now, you have 15 seconds to look through the questions.
Hi. I want to ask about the yoga class.
Sure. What level are you looking at? The beginner's class or the advanced class?
Beginner, please.
We have classes for beginners on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. There are classes both in the morning and the evening.
What time does the evening class start?
There's one at 6:30 and one at 8. Which do you prefer?
The 6:30 class, please. I can come after work. And how much is the fee?
That will be $120 a month.
And will I need any special equipment?
No. You'll just need to wear comfortable clothes. We provide carpets and clean towels.
Sounds great. Thanks.
Now listen again.
Hi. I want to ask about the yoga class.
Sure. What level are you looking at? The beginner's class or the advanced class?
Beginner, please.
We have classes for beginners on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. There are classes both in the morning and the evening.
What time does the evening class start?
There's one at 6:30 and one at 8. Which do you prefer?
The 6:30 class, please. I can come after work. And how much is the fee?
That will be $120 a month.
And will I need any special equipment?
No. You'll just need to wear comfortable clothes. We provide carpets and clean towels.
Sounds great. Thanks.
That is the end of task 2.
Okay, Harry, can you read number 1?
Number 1. What sport are they talking about?
Okay, what is your answer? Can you answer as well in the sentence?
Is yoga.
Yoga. Number 2.
What class level in the customer interact in is beginner.
Okay, beginner.
Number 3. What class time did the customer use? Is 6:40.
Sorry, what is it again? 6?
40.
6:42.
Number 4.
Sorry, 6:30. That is your answer. They have morning or evening?
Morning. Evening.
Number 4.
What should the customer wear? Comfortable wear.
Number 5.
What the dream provide?
Provide. Can you say it again? Provide.
Provide
Yes.
is I can listen. Number 5.
Let's try to listen one more time so that you can answer with your answer.
Task 2. Listen.
Which do you prefer? That will be $120 a month.
And, will I need any special equipment?
No. You'll just need to wear comfortable clothes. We provide carpets and clean towels.
Sounds great. Thanks.
Now listen again.
What's your
Hi,
answer, Harry?
I want to ask about the yoga class.
Sure. What level are you looking?
What is your answer, Harry?
Tower and
Towels. Is that your final answer?
yeah.
Okay. So your answer for 1 yoga, 2 beginner, 3 6:30, 4 comfortable wear, 5 towels. Is that correct? Final answer?
Yes.
Task
Okay.
2.
Now we will go for reading. You will read this one silently first. Okay, silently. Then I will ask you to read it loud. Okay, I will give you 5 minutes. Okay, I will give you 5 minutes to read it silently. But if you're already okay, then tell me, teacher, okay, let me read it loud. Tell me, let me read it loud. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
All right, so kindly read it loud. The Statue of Liberty. Can you read it loud, please?
The statue
Of Liberty. Can you read it? The Statue of Liberty is situated in New York Harbor. Can you read it loud again?
the statue of Liberty is what is
Can you read it far? This one. The Statue of Liberty is situated in New York Harbor. Read this one. You will read this everything. Can you start, Harry?
is New York. The statue of the Liberty is
Situated.
situated in New York
Harbor. Harbor.
Harbor.
Okay.
Harbor. Harbor was a gift.
It was a
It was,
gift.
it was a
That
gift.
it was a gift
It was a gift to the United States from the people of France. The start of the 300
The
copper
statue's 300 copper pieces
pieces were transported on to America on a ship in one
in 1886.
1886. That was the tallest iron statue ever built.
Mhm.
From the ground to the top, it
Measures
measures 93 meter. Lady Liberty hold a torch in one hand and a table
tablet,
in the
not tablet. Tablet.
tablet in the other. On the tablet is the day of America first Independence Day, July 4,
1776.
1776. A broken chain lies at her feet. The star is a symbol of freedom.
Approximately
Approximately 4 million people visit the state each year. The state will be
celebrating
celebrating its 130th
30th.
birthday in October 2016.
16. Okay, good. All right, let's try. Read number 1. The Statue of Liberty. Number 1.
Number 1. Study of literature was built in the United States.
What is your answer? Yes or no?
False.
So your answer is F.
F.
Okay, good. Number 2.
The step there is the tallest iron stuck now. Is false.
Number 3.
Number 3, the start was brought to America in
Separate pieces.
separate piece.
Your answer?
True.
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 Okay, number 4.
Number 4, the stars is a kind of freedom. Is true.
True. Okay.
Number 5, the start of lipstick is one
130 years old.
130
Years old. Okay, what's your answer for that?
false.
Okay, your answer is false. Okay, good job. Now for this one, we're going to read it silently for one more time, and I will ask you to read it loud again. Okay? Take time reading it, Harry. All right?
All right.
Then if you're ready to read it loud, then tell me, teacher, okay. Okay?
Okay. Watching television. It's interesting.
Ready, Harry?
Yes.
Okay. Can you read it loud now? Watching television.
Watching television is an interesting and fun activity. The first television broadcast in Australia was in
Mm-hmm. So, Harry?
was in
1956.
1956. Back then, the pictures on the TV were black and white only.
Only.
Only television was changed a lot since then. There are several channels and they show different TV programs.
Mm-hmm.
In Western Australia, the main channel are ABC 7, 9, 10 and SBS TV. Tell us what programs are showing on which channel and at what time on a day. Many programs on television are
Episodes.
episodes. They are part of a series.
These episodes.
These episodes usually last for 30 minutes or a full hour at the
Hour
weekend.
at the weekend.
Hour at the weekend. They are interesting films. You can watch them instead of going to the cinema.
Okay, good. Number 1. Can you read number 1? When was
Number 1, when was the first Australia in TV podcast?
broadcast? When is it?
Podcast in Australia was in one night.
What's your answer?
1956.
Can you say it can you say it again? Can you say it clearly? Seriously.
Huh? What are you doing?
What is your answer again? Can you repeat it?
The first television broadcast in Australia was in one uh, uh,
Read that. How do you read it?
1956.
Number 2.
How were the pictures on a TV then? Back then, the pictures on a TV were black and white. Only
Okay.
three
Number 3.
list and 3 TV channels in Western Australia. There are 7 channels and they show different TV programs.
Number 3, what's your answer? This any 3 TV channels in Western Australia. What are your answer?
There are several channels and they show different TV programs.
I, it's not ask how many TV programs, it asks give at least 3 channels.
Oh, the main channel are ABC 7, 9, 10, and SBS.
Okay, good. Number
Number
4.
where can you find out the time of your favorite TV show? Uh, TV Guides tell us what programs are showing on which channel and at what time on a day.
Okay, so what is your answer for number 4?
TV well, the number 4
What's your
answer
answer?
is
TV what?
TV Guides tell us what program are
You read it guides. Can you say it again? Guides.
guys
Again,
tell us
guides.
guides.
Okay, number 5.
How long do STV on TV usually
How long
fast?
do episodes, again, episodes,
How long do episodes on TV usually last for?
how long?
Mm, there are there's episodes so usually last for the 30 minute 30 minute or a full
Hour,
hour
hour,
hour
hour.
hour.
Okay, good. Thank you. All right, we're going now to writing part, Harry. Okay, for each question, complete the second sentence so that it means the same as the first. Use the word in brackets. You may, sorry, you may need to change the word. Write no more than 3 words. For example, the bookshop is opposite the library, and there is a word there that you have to use. So you're going to write there is a bookshop opposite the library. Okay? Can you read number
Okay.
1?
Number 1, don't go out in the rain because you get wet. If you go in the rain, you get wet.
Okay, number
Number
2.
number 2, when she invite
Invites
me,
me.
invites me, it is possible that I will go. Uh, if if uh, if um if if
If
if possible, if she invite me, uh, if she invites,
Again, what's
If
your answer, Harry? Number two, if she invites.
if she invite. Number three.
No, no, no. Is your answer if she invites me? I'll
If
go.
she. Number two answer is if
Can you
she.
talk properly, please?
Number three.
Number two, if she
Number
invites
two.
me,
If
is that your
she
final answer?
if she
Invite. No S?
invites.
With S?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, good. Number three.
Children don't have to go to school on storm days. If it stormy,
Stormy.
stormy, children mm, have children don't
That's the answer. Harry, you're there? Harry, are you there?
yes.
Okay, going back. Your answer for number three. If it's stormy, children.
Chil- Number three, children don't have answer is don't have. Number four.
So your answer is if it's stormy, children don't have go to school.
Number three answer is don't have.
Don't have go to school.
Children don't have go to school.
Okay, four.
You should your use of water or you will have to pay a lot. If you if you sh- if you should readers no,
Mm-hmm.
if you should readers number four answer is
Is that your
if
final answer? If you should reduce use of water, only that?
oh, number five. If number five, if there's trees need water or they will die. If you if you if you If you don't give,
Don't give.
yeah,
Don't give these trees.
yeah,
If you don't give these trees, they will die. Is that your answer?
yes,
Again, it should have this word. You should use this word.
water,
If you
if you need water,
if you need what this if you need water, these trees.
yeah,
Okay, I will repeat your answer. Number one, if you go in the rain, you'll get wet. Number two, if she invites me, I'll go. Number three, if it's stormy, children don't have to go to school. Number four, if you should reduce use of water, you will have to pay a lot. Number five, if you need water, these trees, they will die. Is that correct?
yeah,
Okay, for this time, we're going to end the class here. Since already 45, we're going to continue your test on Saturday. Okay? Okay, Harry? Right.
okay,
Thank you very much, Harry, for coming to class. And if you feel sleepy, you can go back to sleep. Okay? Thank you very much,
okay,
Harry. Bye-bye now.
bye bye.